Do you want a thick green lawn without an outrageous water bill at the end of the month? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about reducing your water use in the garden right after this.
Need a proven go-to solution for your next tile project? Use what the pros use. Prism Ultimate Performance Cement Grout by Custom Building Products is ideal for virtually any tiling project. It offers consistent color without any modeling or shading. Its lightweight formula makes it easy to use and spread. Not only that, it's highly stain resistant, sets in just a few hours, and is available in 40 colors. Find it at the Home Depot. Prism Grout from Custom Building Products. We know grout. Count on Custom.
Americans use about 6 billion gallons of water a day for landscape irrigation. The best way to control that use is to reduce the need for watering. A generous layer of mulch around your plants, say 3 to 5 inches, will help prevent evaporation and retain moisture around the roots. When you mow the lawn, raise the blade a notch or two. Shorter grass requires more water. While you're at it, use a mulching mower which will return the clippings to the lawn. It feeds the lawn, slows evaporation, and saves time mowing. When the weather is hot and dry, don't apply fertilizer. In these conditions, it will actually aggravate the problems associated with drought and put more stress on the plants. Finally, when you add new plants, choose those that are native to your region since they will require less watering. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.